To edit the text in your resume, simply select the text and type in your information. To change text color, go to the Home tab, then from Font Color select New Color. You can also click More Colors for more options, or use the Custom section to enter a 6-digit color code. To change the font, select the text and go to the Home tab. Then choose a new font from the Font section. You can make the text smaller or larger. You can copy and paste your info from another document. When you do this, the text keeps its original style. To fix it, select Text with the correct style, click the Format Painter icon, then select the text with the wrong style. If the text position shifts, use the top toolbar to adjust it.